Standard 1 Part 2 इयत्ता पहिली भाग 2 Action time To narrate and enact an event all about nouns and verbs. To listen to some sounds.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Do you hear water sounds around you? तुमच्या आजूबाजूला पाण्याचे आवाज ऐकू येतात का?
Yes, sir. We have heard the sound of water many times. आम्ही पाण्याचा आवाज अनेक वेळा ऐकला आहे.
Let's listen to some of them. चला त्यापैकी काही ऐकूया.
Pitter patter, 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 pitter patter.
Pitter patter, pitter patter. What is it? Pitter patter, pitter patter. What is it?
It's raining on the housetop. It's raining on the housetop.
Students, you are right. Now, listen to this next sound of water and tell me what it's about. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, तुम्ही अगदी बरोबर सांगितलं आहात. आता पाण्याचा हा पुढचा आवाज ऐका आणि मला सांगा तो कशाचा आहे.
Pour, 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 pour.
Pour, pour, pour. What is it? Pour, pour, pour. What is it?
It is water. It is water.
Students, you are right. Now, listen to this next sound of water and tell me what it's about. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, तुम्ही अगदी बरोबर सांगितलं आहात. आता पाण्याचा हा पुढचा आवाज ऐका आणि मला सांगा तो कशाचा आहे.
Drip, 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 drip.
Drip, 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 drip. What is it? Drip, 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 drip. What is it?
It's water dripping from the tap. It's water dripping from the tap.
Students, you are right. Now, listen to this next sound of water and tell me what it's about. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, तुम्ही अगदी बरोबर सांगितलं आहात. आता पाण्याचा हा पुढचा आवाज ऐका आणि मला सांगा तो कशाचा आहे.
Splish splash, 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 splish splash.
Splish, splash, splish, splash. What is it? Splish, splash, splish, splash. What is it?
Rani is jumping in the puddle. Rani is jumping in the puddle. Rani is jumping in the puddle.
Well done, students. You have identified all the sounds correctly. Dear students, now listen to the next word and say it after me. Splish, splash.
Splish, splash. Splish, splash. Splish, splash.
Pitter, patter.
Pitter, patter. Pitter, patter. Pitter, patter.
Drip, drip.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip.
Pour, pour.
Pour, pour. Pour, pour. Pour, pour.
Very good, students. Now let's see some pictures. Observe the pictures and match them to the correct sound.
There is the sound for the first picture.
Splish, splash. Splish, splash.
There is the sound for the second picture.
Pitter, patter. Pitter, patter.
There is the sound for the third picture.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip.
The fourth is the sound for the picture.
Pour, pour. Pour, pour.
Very nice, guys. Now we have to listen carefully to some words. And you have to recognize what those words are for. खूप छान मित्रांनो. आता आपण काही शब्द लक्षपूर्वक ऐकायचे आहेत. व ते शब्द कशासाठी आहेत हे तुम्ही ओळखायचे आहे. Pitter patter, pitter patter. What is it? Pitter patter, pitter patter. What is it?
It is raining.
That's right. Now listen carefully to these next words. Splish, splash, splish, splash. What is it? Splish, splash, splish, splash. What is it?
Rani is jumping in the puddle.
Drip, 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 drip. What is it? Drip, 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 drip. What is it?
It is water dripping from the tap. Let's close it.
Very, very nice. Student, try to repeat these water sounds words and use it in day-to-day life. Thank you.